I'm going to introduce you to the Magic Mineral Bronzer Kit. You have to take a look at this. It's amazing. There's 4 different shades. You have lights, you have dark, even have a pink, which is we're going to use for our bronzer. With this, you do the bronzer. If you want it light, you use lighter colors. You want it dark, you can use the darker colors. It works as your blusher. It also could be used for your eyes, and believe it or not, even your lips. It comes with this incredible kabuki brush. It's so special. I've never seen any one. It's as soft, and look how full it is. Okay. We also have this professional makeup artist eyeshadow brush. Okay, and a clear lip gloss, which has vitamin E in it. And for those of you who want to have a perfect finish, we give you a professional makeup artist sponge, which is interesting because I've always said to really get that great makeup, you have to blend, blend, blend. Okay, so let's get with it now. Okay, I'm looking at Jessica, and she's absolutely gorgeous. What a beautiful lady. And I perceive, you know, the secret to a good makeup artist is to be able to perceive a woman the way she perceives herself. Now, I know that she likes a subtle look. Am I right?
Right.
Okay,
yes.
good. So I'm going to take it easy, not too heavy, and we're going to begin by going over the forehead, bring it down over the entire face, over the cheeks, even over the ears, along the jawline.
Now, Jerome, this is mineral powder, right?
Correct.
Why is that special, or make it, because it seriously looks like it's blending flawlessly.
Okay, the secret to mineral powder and why everyone loves mineral powder is because what we've done is we've taken the talc out. There's no talc, there's no fragrance, there's no irritants. And what's wonderful about this micronized powder, which I'm going to show you, is that you see it doesn't cake, and also at the factory level, let's get a close-up here. At the factory level, what we do is we micronize the powder, we grind it down so thin. Now watch this carefully. It actually, it actually floats. So it's not going to get caught in the wrinkles and creases around your eyes. I know you don't have any, but you're looking forward to it.
But I do.
Okay.
And I love the way it feels when it goes on my face. It's light, like silk. Isn't it smooth?
It's really smooth and soft.
Okay, so now we go back now. We're going to go over the darker color. Suck your cheeks in, and we go, and under the cheekbone, we create a hollow. This is called sculpting and contouring, you see? Just like this. Now, she doesn't have a double chin, but if she did, you go along the chin line like this, and with the dark color, and you go under the chin, and it creates a beautiful definition between the chin and the neckline.
It's really a radiant, I have to say, younger look. I mean, I love
so
the way
here we
it
go
comes out.
to the light color now. We
the
concentrate on the blush.
Okay.
And from the center of the eye, we just go up the cheekbone, and this becomes your blusher. Watch it again on this side. The center of the eye, we just go right up the cheekbone, and with the pink color, we put a little on the temple, and when you do go out in the sun, where do you get it? You get it on your nose, your forehead, your cheeks, and your chin, like a natural kiss of the sun. So we put a little on the forehead, on the cheeks, as we did, a little on the tip of the nose, and a little on the chin, like a natural kiss of the sun.
Jerome, I love that this is all in one palette, and you've achieved this whole look with just that.
Right. Here we have more fun. You could use all 4 colors.
Okay.
So I'm going to take this one, this one, this one, and the pink. Okay. Just and go like this, not too tight, just gentle.
For the lips.
And I just go over the lips like this. Watch it again. All 4 colors. Tilt your head back. Just go over the lip with my finger. Look, anyone could do this. It's so easy. And we take this clear, colorless lip gloss.
You've thought of everything.
Really? These are the tricks of the trade. And we just go over the powder that's on the lips, and we create this sexy, nude look to the lips.
Wow, Jerome, you know what I love about this bronzer kit is that when it goes on my face, it feels so light. It's like silk, and it just gives the skin an instant boost and a glow. It's like you were basking in the sun, but without the harmful sun rays.
Right. So let's take a look at her. First of all, she has this incredible bronze, healthy look. But look, as great as she looks, it's still subtle.
Exactly.
Let's close your eyes. Look at the cheeks.
Oh.
Look at the contour. And look at those lips. She looks unbelievable.